Hello, hi. So we will have a look today at the bulk update option in the prices calendar. Here we can open this calendar and we will see this view. And here we will see all the room types. So you can choose the room type you're interested in. Let's choose only 10-bed door in my case and double room. Okay, to make it easier. And here, in case you have more than one rate, you can also display all of them. In case you have any strategy, you can also show the strategy and also the restrictions, right? Okay. So let's leave it this way so that we can observe the changes I would like to show. Okay, I don't have any strategy right now, so we'll just maybe turn it off. Okay, so here we have this bulk update option, okay? And here we will see three buttons, availability, price, and restrictions, okay? In case of availability, if you use BedView, if you move bookings on BedView, we do not recommend set up availability manually. It's because the system stops control the availability automatically when you try to do this, okay? But I would like to show one thing because I know that people sometimes do it, okay? If they want to close the availability, they do this. For example, okay, we'll do it with the double room only. And they put 0 and just close the availability, okay? They just do this. And what happens? The system closes the room. We can see here the room is closed, but also applies this manual 0 on the dates, okay? And sometimes when the client, when the people want to open it, don't know how to do it, and they just apply them. And again, the same rule. They go here, choose the dates, choose the room, and they just put 1, for example, or 2, and in this way, in this case, and open, right? And in this case, the system applies manually the number 2, okay? And this is not correct, okay? The correct option would be just go here, availability, in case you did this, you put this manual 0 is to do this and this, okay? Not 0, I'm sorry. Restore availability. And this way, the system restores, okay, we can see it, restores automatic availability, and the numbers turns black as they should be, okay? They turn black again. So black color in the calendar is automatic, and red color means manual change. Okay, so this would be my comment about availability. In case of price, no problem. You can change the prices from here. You just have to remember that the black prices are the season prices, and the manual prices you apply from here, they also always override the season prices. So if you have any manual price, let's set up a manual price for, let's say, my 4-bed dorm. Okay, let's put 50, for example, for my standard rate. Oh, it wasn't 10. Okay, I choose 10. Okay, let's switch to 4-bed. Okay, so here we can see this manual price. Okay, so even if I change I have my price is 200. Okay, in 4-bed dorm. In this case, right? So even if I change this default price, it won't do anything here because the price is in red. They override the price, the season prices. We can restore the price. If you don't want them, we can restore them. In case if it's only one day, just right click and restore season price. You can restore few dates like this. But if it's a longer period, I would rather recommend this. Okay, let's say a longer period, right? 4-bed mixed. And just restore the season prices for standard rate. And it works the same way as we saw with availability, okay? So let's just have a look again just for a double room also. Everything is the same, the only difference is that we can see uh, the occupancy prices as well, right here. So we will see here, and we can show occupancy prices, and they will appear this way, right? And the same way with restoring prices in case we would like to do it. Okay, so restrictions, it's quite similar everything. So you choose the dates. You can choose, for example, only weekends or only on a specific day you would like to apply the changes for. But let's do it with double room again for standard rate, and we can choose if we want to. Okay, let's just put 2 minimum stay through, 3 minimum stay arrival, maximum stay, let's say 14, maximum guests. Maximum guests, actually it works for the booking engine. Okay, so let's say 30 guests max. Sorry, it's minimum guests, not maximum guests, right? But just to show you how it works. Okay, you can close arrival or open in case if it's closed, close capture, close rate, or close room. Okay, I will apply all of them just to show you how it is applied. Okay, so here we can see all the changes, right? We can see this double room, the minimum stay 2, minimum stay arrival 3, maximum stay, minimum guests, and maximum guests, right? There is also the cutoff restrictions. I'm not sure why I didn't put it. Oh, I forgot about the cutoff. Okay, but it works the same, right? The cutoff works for the booking engine only, and you can decide how many days in advance the guest can book, right? So if you put 2, the guests won't be able to book for today and tomorrow, right? Okay, so that is how it works. The same way we can take this back, right? Restrictions and double room, standard rate, and we put, for example, 0, 0, 0, 0, and yeah, and open and like, right? So just to take it back. So I did it only until 10th, and the rest is still there, right? So that is how the bug update works. It's really useful, just it's very important to understand the availability issue when we restore the availability. And also the fact that the red prices override the season prices. Thank you.